In this video, you'll learn how to buy Ethereum on MoonPay. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily navigate the platform and complete your purchase efficiently. This process requires a stable internet connection and an understanding of your payment options. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by typing www.moonpay.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the website loads, you should see a clean interface featuring options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the button labeled Buy on the home page. This button is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to identify. After clicking on this button, you will be taken to a page that allows you to choose between different cryptocurrencies to purchase. After that, click on the option labeled Buy Crypto. This will direct you to a new screen where you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Look for a button that clearly states this option and click it to proceed. You will now see a section that displays popular cryptocurrencies. Click on the option that says Select Asset. This will allow you to choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to appear with various options available. Once the drop-down appears, click on Popular Tokens. From this list, you will find Ethereum. Click on the Ethereum option to select it. This action indicates that you are ready to purchase Ethereum specifically. Next, you will need to enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy. There should be a text box where you can type in your desired amount. Ensure that you double check the amount before moving forwards to avoid any errors. After typing in the amount, click on the button labeled Continue with Ethereum. This action will take you to the next step in the purchasing process, confirming your selection. You will then be prompted to confirm your order. Click on the button that says Confirm Order. This confirmation is crucial as it ensures that you are ready to proceed with the transaction. Next, click on the button labeled Buy. This step will initiate the payment process for the Ethereum you have chosen to purchase. Now, you need to select a payment method. Click on the option labeled Pay With. A new window will appear showing various payment options available to you. You will see a message that states Choose How to Pay. This message will guide you through selecting your preferred payment method. Click on Apple Pay if you prefer to use this method, or choose another option such as debit card or credit card based on your preference. Each selection will bring you to a different payment interface. After selecting your payment method, you will see the total amount you are required to pay. This message typically appears prominently, allowing you to review the total before finalizing your purchase. Next, click on the option labeled Deliver To. This step is necessary to specify where you want your Ethereum to be delivered, typically to a wallet address. Finally, click on the button that says Pay to complete the transaction. Once you click this, the purchase process will be finalized and you should receive a confirmation of your transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.